Power purchase agreements, or PPAs, are long-term agreements that help ensure a steady stream of revenue for solar projects with storage, PV plus BESS. In this video, we will explore the types of PPAs available, their advantages and disadvantages, and how to use advanced strategies with BESS systems to optimize your revenue. Let's get started. Physical PPAs. Energy is delivered directly to the buyer through a physical connection to the grid. Some of its advantages are: revenues are predictable and have stability in energy costs. They meet sustainability objectives and are ideal for large industrial consumers. The main disadvantage is that they require geographic proximity and additional infrastructure. In virtual PPAs, there is no physical delivery of energy. The producer sells the energy to the market and the buyer and seller exchange the difference between the spot market price and the agreed price. The main advantages are geographic flexibility and access to a broader base of buyers. Greater potential in markets with price volatility. The main disadvantage is exposure to spot market risk if prices fall below the contract. Some of the strategies with BESS to maximize profitability can be capturing high market prices. BESS systems allow energy to be stored during off-peak hours, low prices, and sold during peak demand, high prices, maximizing revenue in a virtual PPA. Stability in production. For physical PPAs, the use of BESS ensures a constant supply, even on cloudy days or during the night, meeting contract commitments and avoiding penalties. Alignment with sustainability goals. Integrating BESS demonstrates a real commitment to energy efficiency and emissions reduction, something that companies increasingly value in their ESG strategies. In physical PPAs, the advantages can be stable and predictable income, less exposure to market volatility, direct integration with the buyer. The main disadvantages are infrastructure costs and the need for geographic proximity. In virtual PPAs, the advantages are geographic flexibility and access to volatile markets. It is ideal for companies with operations in multiple geographic locations. The main disadvantage is the exposure to spot market risk, affecting revenues in low-price scenarios. Some of my recommendations are: evaluate the buyer's needs and your project profile to choose between a physical or virtual PPA. Integrate storage systems to optimize revenue and ensure stability of supply. Prioritize projects aligned with sustainability objectives, which offer greater appeal to companies with ESG commitments. If you need help designing and implementing PPA strategies for your PV plus BESS projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's transform the energy future together. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.